Fail without evil.
We are irregular.
So I hope at the end of the next 24 hours, no matter what, you may not remember one thing about irregular warfare or drones or the threats out there. I hope you connect with some of our people and you ask about their why.
Recommendation or advice that we adjust our section. Any advice, anything that wasn't clear, didn't make sense, that we can adjust.
So when we go to this school, it's just informative. You'll learn about how RSOC soldiers are trained. Then when you come out, that's when we'll get you a chalk order, and then you'll be flying.
I objectively think that I have the best job in the Army, period. My office is over at Bryan Hall, the 6-story building over there. And I think he's going to be okay. In order to support the local civil security, so national military and police forces, and the civil affairs medical sergeants. And in our
there, but sometimes you can't go there. So
absolutely,
there's tons of tools that'll do PAI, scraping.
好，谢谢。下次换你请我。
So a little bit about myself. Grew up in New York City in Queens. Actually one of the
Start out. I recently just came back from 10th Maine in Colorado.
Every now and then.
Makes sense to me. Like announcing the city. This would be like suppose that we've taken this off the back and
Let's go. Gotta get our helicopter.
The first time I saw
The next move on circulation, ensuring that the patient has adequate. Once the medic has secured an airway, he can move on to respiration.
My medic is currently attending to the first critical patient. If you're in
And 6th rib.
Right, tell everyone prep for assault.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. And then on the first floor, I'll have the...
Sure.
Turn that off.
How long were you at Saturday?
6 months.
Okay. It was like a little rotation?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm sure y'all will.
Zulu, head counts, 19 packs, exfilling off target.
Things and drones are cool. Hopefully you really remember our people. You talked to someone and learned their why and found out, you just looked in their eye how passionate and purposeful they were when they're talking about drones or MME or